Okay, now the next thing we're going to have a look at is how we can insert headings onto our page. This was one of the things that was asked for after our mock exam last Friday. So here you can see, for example, that I've just done example heading, and at the moment it's the same as my other pieces of text. It doesn't stand out, it's no different. Now what HTML code does is it has some standard heading sizes that go from H1 to H2, H3, H4, H5 and so on. Now in the mock exam that you did, you were asked to put a strapline onto a page using the H4 setting. Okay, now firstly, some of you asked in the exam what a strapline was. In the exam it actually said, using an H4 tag, add the following strapline to the volunteers page. Fortunes Radio is for the whole community. So a strapline is like a slogan, or it's a slogan, it's a saying, it's something that people associate with an organisation, a bit like for Nike's Just Do It. Now then, here I put my example heading, or my example slogan, or strapline. Let's just rename that so that it matches up with what we're talking about. And if I highlight this, and I have my properties bar open at the bottom, okay, you'll know that on CSS you've got font sizes available where you can choose a size, you can choose a colour as well. But if you click over to HTML, and where it says format, just choose heading 4, you can see in the HTML code it says H4, example strapline H4. That's it, you've done it. The only other thing to do now is to maybe add a colour. We pop over to CSS, we choose whatever colour has been given to us. So in the exam we were actually told that it was hashtag 0099cc, which is this shade of blue. We press enter and that's it, we're done. If we click off, you can see we've got our H4 blue text, and obviously in the exam it said Fortunes Radio is for the whole community. This one here says example strapline. It's as simple as that. So a quick recap: once you've typed your text, you highlight it on HTML. This will be automatically on paragraph. We change it to heading 4 or heading 3 or whichever heading setting we're asked to use. We click over to CSS for our colour, where once we click on there we can choose either a colour ourselves, or if we're given the hexadecimal numbers to use, we can type those in right there after the hashtag, and that's it, you're done. That's your H4 strapline example.